Hi folks, Mark West with Guarantee RV. Today we're going to be talking about one of our newest fifth wheels. This beauty is the Torque 416, and we're going to go inside first and look around because there's a lot of beautiful things to show you. 3-year structural limited warranty. Great steps coming into the unit. Take a look at this living room / kitchen. This is beautiful. You've got a nice dining set here, beautiful kitchen counter with a double sink, triple burner stove. This is a Furrion stove with an oven. Lots of cabinetry. Got a big microwave up above. Raised panel cabinetry, real wood. Nice elevated ceiling with motorized fans, air conditioning, heating. Great speakers because there's a wonderful sound system in this. You got a big TV over here, right above the dining set. Back around this side, we've got our large couch with recliners on each end and a big window to take a look at the scenery outside. Here's your double door fridge and freezer. Up here, we'll go check out the bedroom. You've got a king folding bed that slides out. In here, you've got a nice bathroom with double access. So we'll go back out this way. More storage right here. Now folks, this is a toy hauler. So it's a fifth wheel toy hauler. Back here is what's called a garage. This is the biggest garage we have on our lot. This is 15 feet long. So this will hold a lot of units. Up here you've got fold down bed that turns into couches on both sides and another large bed above it. So that's a bunk bed up there. Right here you've got another bathroom for anybody that's going to stay back here, because this is a self-enclosed unit. It's called a garage because it has a door. Locks off. People can have guests stay in here. You got a washer and dryer hookup right here. Extra outlets. Up top here you have another bunk. Behind this little unit there's a ladder that allows you to get up there. Motorized fan above, access to the outside. So let's go back out here and look at some of the features of the outside. Right here you've got large storage that goes all the way through to the other side. So you've got a lot of room for storage. Here's your propane tank. We've got a large electric awning here, so you're going to have a lot of coverage when you're out partying outside. Under here is our generator. There you've got an Onan 5500 generator for all the power that you will need on your weekend fun trip. All right, let's go around this side. Over here, yet another propane tank, 7-gallon propane tank. Here we've got a large electrical cord for plugging in at any park you might be at. We've got an outdoor shower. This is pretty handy, hot and cold. You just hose off your feet, whatever you need to do. You've got satellite access, multiple plug-ins there. Here's your gray water holding tank. You can see 2 slides on this side. By the way, this is a triple axle, so this will have a very smooth ride. Each wheel is independent suspension. You've got electric levelers. Here's your fueling station for all your ATVs and your motorcycles. You can fill them right here and take off and enjoy the weekend. So there we go, folks. This is the Torque by Heartland. It's available at Guarantee. Come on down and see us. My direct line is 541-913-3780.